In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add dependencies in ClickUp. Dependencies help you control the order of work, so one task can't move forward until another is ready. Setting them up keeps teams coordinated and prevents surprises when timelines shift. Here's how to add a dependency step by step using the waiting on option. First, open your ClickUp account. You can do this on the web or in the desktop app. Either way works the same for this process. Make sure you're signed into the workspace where your project lives so you're looking at the correct content. Next, click on the specific space that contains the task you want to manage. Spaces are the top level areas in ClickUp, and choosing the right one saves you hunting later. If you're not sure, glance at the sidebar and pick the space where the list or project resides. With the space open and your task in view, click the three dots, the More Options menu. You'll see this icon in the task toolbar or near the task name, and it opens additional settings that aren't visible by default. From that menu, choose Dependencies. This takes you to the place where relationships between tasks are created and managed. It's the control center for telling ClickUp what should happen first and what must wait. Now click Add Waiting on Task. Waiting on means the current task is paused until another task is completed. Think of it as Task A waiting on Task B. Task A can't start or finish until B is done. This is especially helpful when one team's work is a prerequisite for another. Then select the task it depends on. Use the search box to find it by name, and double check you're choosing the correct one if there are similar titles. After you select it, confirm the choice. You'll see the dependency appear in the task's details, indicating that this task is now waiting on the one you picked. From here on, ClickUp will reflect that relationship in your views and can warn you if you try to move too quickly. If project dates shift, the visual links make it easier to understand why and adjust plans accordingly. That's all you need to do. Open your account, go to the right space, use the three dots to find dependencies, add a waiting on task, and select what it depends on. Follow these steps each time you want to keep work flowing in the right order, and your timelines will stay clearer and more predictable.